Hello, in this quick video tutorial, I'll show you how to create a ledger in Zoho Books. First, log into your account and go to Accounting tab. Click this and then click Chart of Accounts. Now, once you're here, click the New Account button to create a new ledger account. Click this button. And now, choose the appropriate type of account, like this. You can choose whatever type of account you want. And once you're done, and all you have to do is fill in the account name and any other required details. Then you can click save and your new ledger will now be part of your chart of accounts and it will be ready to use in transactions. That's all. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more Zoho tutorials.